12, 13, 14, next, change. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, next, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Grade 10 girls, 14 out of 15. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 9 girls, 22 out of 26. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 8 C&D girls, 12 out of 12. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 7 girls, 24 out of 27. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 6 girls, 27 out of 30. Thank you. Happy morning, 6th boys, 43 out of 43. All present. Happy morning, grade 7 boys, 20 out of 16. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 7 boys, 15 out of 20. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 7 boys, 17 out of 18. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 7 Jasper boys, 14 out of 15. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 8 boys, 45 out of 55. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 9 boys, 36 out of 36. Thank you.
Happy morning, grade 10 Topaz, 28 out of 28. All present. Thank you. Happy morning, grade 10 Jasper boys, 14 out of 14. All present. Thank you. Happy morning, today's school attendance, 550 out of 583. Thank you. Get ready for prayer. 2, 1, start.
Country? All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its streets and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone without courtesy. And to my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will win and prosperity. All our lives, my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
I'm Kirtana from grade 8 Topaz. Brought you international and national news. International news. Turkey airport staff refused to refuel Israel flight after emergency landing. India joins UN's Doha meet on Afghanistan attended by Taliban source. National news. IAS officer Sujata Sonic becomes Maharashtra's first female chief secretary source. Punjab, Haryana to witness heavy rain. IMD issues alert for several areas. Thank you.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Sri Shloka from grade 8 Topaz. State news. Run for Rock to be held on July 7 in Hyderabad. Power generation distribution at thermal plants will not affect power supply in Telangana, said officials. Sport news. Global Chess League to hold second edition in UK. Sumit Nagal shows heart and fit at Wimbledon. Thank you. Everyone, weather report is brought to you by P. Mayank of grade 8 Topaz. Maximum temperature 35 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. Wind 16 km per hour, humidity 78%. Thank you.
Today thought is brought to you by Yedanda Kishore of grade 8 Topaz. Thought. Education is one thing no one can take away from you. I repeat it again. Education is one thing no one can take away from you. Thank you.
Today word is brought to you by M. Ramchandra Reddy from 8 Topaz. Word tedium means boring. Friends, please fill after me. Tedium. T-E
B-I-U-M. Thank you. Have a colorful day.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by Ranfar Tej of Great VIII Topaz. Question for grade 6. Who holds the record for the highest individual score in single World Cup innings? You pick the wrong answer and the answer is Sachin Tendulkar. Question for grade 7. Which player has the most centuries in Cricket World Cup history? No, you did not pick the correct answer and the correct answer is Rohit Sharma. Question for grade 8. In which year was the first Cricket World Cup held? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 1975. Question for grade 9. Which bowler holds the record for most wicket taking in Test cricket history? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Mustaidu Muralidharan. Let us wish him. Question for grade 10. How many centuries have been scored by MS Dhoni in ODI? You picked the wrong answer and the answer is 10. Open questions. When did Virat Kohli become the India's Test captain? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 2014. Who is known as IPL man? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is Suresh Raina. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today article on World Cup is brought to you by N. Chakrala Reddy of Grade 8 Topaz. The Cricket World Cup, officially known as ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, is the international championship of one-day international ODI cricket. The event is organized by the sport governing body, the International Cricket Council (ICC), every 4 years with preliminary qualification rounds leading up to the final tournament. The tournament is one of the world's most viewed sporting events and considered as the flagship event of the international cricket calendar by the ICC. It is widely considered the pinnacle championship of the sport of cricket. Thank you.
School, left turn.
Girls, start moving. Boys.